Welcome back to English Guru Shekhar. Are you making mistakes when speaking English? When speaking English, common mistakes can affect clarity and fluency. Here are some key areas to focus on for improvement. Before that, dear friends, those who are watching my channel without subscription, please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos and watch the complete video to know your mistakes while speaking. First one, grammar mistakes. Subject verb agreement. He go to office is wrong. Some people make this mistake. Actually, he goes to office is right because he is third person singular. That's why we have to write the verb goes. So the correct answer is he goes to office. Incorrect tenses. See, for example, I seen him yesterday. This is wrong sentence. I saw him yesterday because yesterday is past tense. Next, misuse of prepositions. She is married with him. This is wrong. She is married to him. Instead of using with preposition, we have to use to. Come to pronunciation mistakes. In that, silent letters. In silent letters, we make wrong pronunciation of words like cum. We have to pronounce not comb, it is comb. Here, letter B is silent. Likewise, Tom. This is not tomb. Here, letter B is silent. Come to word stress. Contract versus contract. Contract is noun. Contract is verb. This word can be used both as noun and verb, but we have to give stress at the beginning for the noun and stress at the end for the verb. Observe here, we have to pronounce this word as contract for noun and contract for verb. Vowel sounds like leave versus leave. The word leave has short vowel sound, but the word leave has long vowel sound. There we have double vowels here, EA. But in the word live, leave, there is only one vowel, that is I. Come to vocabulary and word choice. Using wrong words. I am boring. This is wrong. It means I make others bored anta. I am boring means I make others bored. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But the correct sentence is I am bored. Next, confusing homophones like THEIR, THERE, THEY, apostrophe RE. For example, you go there. Here we have to use the word there, THERE. Next one, their condition is bad. Here we have to use THEIR, there. Avara. You go there. There andre alli. ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗು. Their condition is bad means ಅವರ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. Next one, they are going to trip. Here THEY apostrophe RE. It means they are going to trip. While using these homophones, we may get confused. So we have to correct them. Come to sentence structure mistakes. Wrong word order. See, for example, he every day goes to office. This is wrong sentence. He goes to office every day. We have to write the adverb every day after the verb, that is goes. He goes to office every day is right sentence. Double negatives. Sometimes we use double negatives. Like I don't know nothing. Here don't and nothing are double negatives. It's wrong sentence. I don't know anything is right sentence. Next, incorrect use of articles. Sometimes we make mistakes while using articles. See, for example, she is doctor. This is wrong sentence. She is a doctor is right sentence. We have to use the article a. Likewise, he is an university student. This is wrong sentence. He is a university student is right because the letter U gives the sound Y. That's why we have to use the article a before university. Likewise, he is a honorable person is wrong. He is an honorable person is right because here in the word honorable, letter H is silent. Next, she plays a sitar is wrong. You should not use the article a before the musical instruments. Sitar is a musical instrument. She plays the sitar is right sentence. We have to use the article the before musical instruments. Next, wrong use of reflexive pronouns. For example, he enjoyed with himself at the party. This is wrong. He enjoyed himself at the party is right. Next, myself and Rohan went to the shopping. This is wrong sentence. Rohan and I went to the shopping. Should not use myself. Next, incorrect use of since and for. Sometimes we misuse the prepositions like for and since. See, for example, I have been living here since 10 years. This is wrong sentence. I have been living here for 10 years is right sentence because 10 years indicates duration. We use for duration of time, since for fixed point of time. India has been developing for 1947. This is wrong sentence. India has been developing since 1947 is right sentence because we use since for fixed point of time. Next, confusing much and many. For example, I have much friends. This is wrong sentence. I have many friends is right. We use much for quantity and volume and many for number. Next one, there aren't many sugar left. This is wrong. There isn't much sugar left is right because we don't use many for quantity. We use much for referring volume and quantity. So there isn't much sugar left is right. Next, confusing do and make. See, for example, she did a mistake is wrong. She made a mistake is right. Next, incorrect use of conditionals. For example, if I will see her, I will talk to her. This is wrong sentence. If I see her, I will talk to her is right sentence. Because we don't use simple future tense for both sides in first conditional. Next one, if you would have studied, you would have passed. This is wrong sentence. If you had studied, you would have passed. That is for third conditional. For third conditional rule, we use past perfect, that is had studied, and would plus have plus v3, that is would plus have plus past. We don't use would have for both sides in third conditional. That's all for today's video. Dear friends, it's time to practice and avoid these mistakes in real life conversations. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning videos. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.